Hey everyone, welcome to Millennium Computer's online 5-minute tutorial series. Today's course is going to take a quick look at some new dynamic or function-based filter options available within the FAST applications. Now, we've covered function-based filters pretty extensively in other tutorials, but you may have noticed in the release notes, as of version 4.3.09, there's a couple new function-based filters that have been added in different fields within different applications. Particularly, we're looking at FAST human resource reporting and FAST student reporting. The first thing is I want to remind you guys, if you see function buttons, and that's what these little FX keys are, I do suggest taking a look at what's inside, because it's definitely going to provide you with some cool information and probably a quicker way of doing things, and particularly saving those pinned reports. So if I click on a function button of calendar, I'm getting a couple options of this year or last year. And what I want to show you in particular today is there are some new function-based filter options on date fields. So that would include things like effective date or activity date, things like that. So if I click on my effective date function key, I have all these new options. Let's just quickly run through the items that have been added here. So first I have last month or next month. I have 1 month ago or 1 month ahead. I have 1 week ago or 1 week ahead. 1 year ago or 1 year ahead. I have this month, I have today, tomorrow, and yesterday. So this gives me a ton more options and a ton more flexibility, particularly if what I'm trying to do is create a number of pinned reports and perhaps schedule those for delivery. And I want to pinpoint a specific point in time without necessarily saying every first Tuesday of the month or every second Wednesday. This is actually going to pinpoint specific points in time based on an algorithm or function-based filter. So on the date fields, do keep an eye out for that now in student and HR. And let me just quickly hop us over into the student world. And let's choose one of our registration reports maybe. The other one I want to highlight is under term code, and you guys have probably used this quite extensively using something like current term or terms this academic year. And what's also been now added into student is the ability to look at terms in the next or terms in the previous academic year. So again, instead of pinpointing based on a specific term code, you can actually pull in an algorithm that's going to always look at terms either in the next or previous academic year, looking at registration or looking at admissions statistics, or in any case where there happens to be a term code as a filter option. So I know we've talked a lot about function-based filters. I just want to remind you guys, if you see that function button, probably a great idea to take a look and see what's in there before you create your reports, and certainly before you save those as pinned reports. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you again next time.